皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. If you are learning Japanese, you may have noticed that direct translation don't always match how conversations happen in real life. Why is that? Well, one big reason is that native Japanese speakers rarely use I, Watashi, or you, Anata in everyday conversations. In today's lesson, I will show you how to avoid these pronouns and speak naturally, just like native speakers. At the end of this video, your Japanese will sound much more natural. Are you ready? Let's get started. In Japanese, it's common to omit pronouns like watashi or anata in conversations because Japanese is a high context language, meaning the subject of the sentence is usually understood from the situation or prior context, so you don't need to say it. This is very different from English, which is a low context language where pronouns are stated more often to avoid confusion. Now you know why Japanese speakers often skip pronouns. So let's dive into some examples to see how it works. I'm hungry. The direct translation is 私はお腹すいた. However, a native speaker would simply say お腹すいた. お腹すいた. Notice that we drop 私は from direct translation. The context tells the listener that you are the one who is hungry. Let's look at next one. I went to Tokyo yesterday. The direct translation is 私は昨日東京に行ってきました. Here's how native speaker would say it. 昨日東京に行ってきました. 昨日東京に行ってきました. Again, there is no need to say 私は because it's obvious from context that you are talking about yourself. Japanese speakers rarely use anata in conversation because it can come across as overly direct or even rude. Instead, they rely on context or address the other person by their name or title. For example, what are you doing? The direct translation is あなたは何してるの? However, a native speaker would simply say 何してるの? 何してるの? The direct translation with あなた sounds too direct or interrogative. By dropping あなたは, the sentence becomes softer and more natural. Next example. Do you know how to get there? The direct translation is あなたはそこまでの行き方知ってますか? Here's how a native speaker would say it. そこまでの行き方知ってますか? そこまでの生き方知ってますか? The context make it clear who is being asked. So there is no need to say あなた. Instead of saying あなた, you can also address the person by their name. When addressing someone by name, it's important to add the correct suffix. Here is a list of suffixes. さん a general and polite suffix used for most adults. 様 a more formal version of さん, often used in businesses or formal settings. くん used for boys or young men, typically in casual or semi-formal settings. ちゃん used for girls, young women, or babies, typically in casual settings. For close friends or peers, you can omit the suffix entirely or use their nicknames. Also, people in higher positions, such as managers or bosses, may also address subordinates without a suffix. This is called 呼び捨て. Let's look at some examples. 田中さんはどちらがいいですか？田中さんはどちらがいいですか？ Which one do you like? 加藤様はどちらにお住まいですか？加藤様はどちらにお住まいですか？ Where do you live? たけるに任せるよ。たけるに任せるよ。It's up to you. In Japan, it's much more common to address someone by their last name rather than their first name. Using someone's first name is generally reserved for friends, family, or intimate relationships. In Japanese, titles can also replace Anata, making the conversation sound more polite and professional. For example, 先生はどう思いますか？先生はどう思いますか？ What do you think? 先生 is used for teachers as well as doctors or other academic or professional specialists. 部長に相談したいことがあります。部長に相談したいことがあります。I have something I would like to consult with you about. 部長 is used for department managers. There are some common titles. 社長、社長、CEO。店長、店長、store managers。会長、会長、the chairman of the board. Let's see natural conversations in action. Where are you from? どちら出身ですか？どちら出身ですか？ I'm from Tokyo. 東京出身です。東京出身です。Can you speak English? 英語話せますか？英語話せますか？ I'm sorry, but I can't speak English. すみません。英語話せません。すみません。英語話せません。What do you want to eat? 何食べたい？何食べたい？ I want to eat sushi. 寿司食べたい。寿司食べたい。That's it for today's lesson. With these tips, your Japanese will sound more natural and fluent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next videos. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。